What's up, traders? Your man Muro here, looking at the Bitcoin chart weekly time frame, and this is where we had long Bitcoin at 75k, 74k some month ago before I went on my break, the first break in years. And I just recently came back and shared this chart with the resistance here and said Bitcoin likely gets rejected here, and I'm looking at this blue zone for entries. Then Bitcoin came down there. I suggested, I tweeted that I bought and it went up nicely. And now, guys, it's getting rejected. Came down to the mid range here, and we expect hopefully a move back up. But that move could be small, guys, and it could also just come down again here and go up again there. This is basically a consolidation here, and this is a consolidation at a bigger consolidation, of course. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can draw a range here. Right. And yeah, we are currently consolidating at the highs, guys. So of course we could bounce here a bit, but ultimately it's possible that we come down to the lows again and then go up again, as I said. And guys, overall, even if Bitcoin comes down to the range lows here, it doesn't mean it's over. It could still go up, right? And what could also happen, and what is more likely, in my opinion, is that it comes down to mid-range and reverses here, because this is also something that's not rare. It happens many times that in a consolidation, when you make those two or three lows, the third low is not at the lows but at mid-range. So especially in bullish market, this is what happens. What can happen, like, you know, when we consolidate here, for example, now let me draw it like this, you know, it is possible that at the end we come down to here and reverse from here, right? And then it's also possible that Bitcoin loses this bullish momentum and goes down. So if we go down here, that would of course be bad. And if we break out to the upside, that would be good. And this breakout can also happen here, guys. I'm not ruling out that this might happen here. Okay, so before we go down one more time, but this is usually not happening on, the second retest of the highs. So this was the first, then we got the low, then the second retest of the highs here, this consolidation. And usually you don't break out on the second, but on the third in a consolidation. So it is possible that we come down to here to 90k levels before Bitcoin goes higher. Okay, so today we are looking at the mid-range here, guys. We are currently here at this level, and Bitcoin has swept this low here, which is what I was looking at. No, this one, this 106 and 8. Not sure if it swept, but yeah, if it does, then it could go up for a scalp move, guys. For me personally, it doesn't look like it will go up to the highs again. Okay, I think it will maybe go up a bit and then come down to the lows, from where it then could go up again, and then and so on, guys. It's a bit difficult. Trading is not an easy mode at the moment. This is how it is. This is what I'm looking at, and I wish you all a good day. I will share when I enter entries with confidence as I did earlier this week. But for now, I'm waiting a bit, okay? See you guys.